Kian Devin A. Vidalio. With high honors. He will also receive the following subject proficiency awards: Best in Good Manners and Right Conduct, Best in English, Best in Filipino, and Best in Makabansa. He will also receive an HGP awardee for the month of April, which exemplifies the values of excellence and celebration. He will also receive the following special awards: Deportment Award for being an HGP awardee for the month of August and April, Perfect Attendance Award for completing the number of school days from June to April, Performing Arts Award for participating in school-wide activities, Academic Engagement Award, and the Academic Excellence Award for achieving the highest number of subject proficiency across the academic year. Ken Riley R. Panugali,